Okay. Mega Squirt 3. It's on my 93 Duster, 3-liter V6, even fire engine. This is my spark settings. I changed it. It was messed up earlier, but my firing order, even fire engine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see there. I fixed my trigger angle. It's at 60 degrees. I fixed that, and I've enabled test mode to kind of show you what I'm talking about here. I'm getting spark in test mode, and I'm getting spark when it's trying to turn over, but the problem that I'm having is that it's not sparking or giving me reference on my gun here. Forgive the wiring, it was all tucked, but now it's not. I've had to tear this thing apart a million times to fix this. But as you can see, got quad spark there, grounded, right here on the intake plenum, and if you listen closely, I think you can hear it clicking. I've got it in sequence there, in test mode, and it should be firing. I mean, as it should. I mean, it's clearly working. So I'm getting spark, just not a very good one. So like I said, I've got my test light enabled here, and I'll show you here in a second what I'm talking about. I'm getting nothing on this light. Right now it's sparking. I have no RPM signal, no nothing, no light. But when I pull this plug out, kind of, I guess, ground it with something, get a bigger spark, you can see the light is clearly working. You know, you create like a bigger gap, get a better spark going. I guess you can't really see the spark there, but I mean, as you can see, it starts sparking fine, and I pick up a reference signal. But when you go to plug it back into the cylinder head, like on the spark, gone. I don't know what that is. The car will not fire. I can't even get the timing light to work. There's absolutely just no reference signal on the light. I don't know if it's a grounding issue. The timing light's not broken. I've checked it on 3 different vehicles. That truck, car under the tarp, and the blue Subaru back there, and it works perfectly on those. So I have no idea what's going on here. If anybody has any insight, I've been trying to troubleshoot this on MS Extra, and just can't come up with anything yet. So hopefully this kind of clarifies things. Yeah, hopefully I get this thing running soon.